Mapek podi medo geno mar medo nenore duond buch siasa nendo mar ODM maidine kaluwore kod dhok mabende kurugoli kod jatend migawo mochung' ne weche geko mago maende pacho kaende John Mbadi mayango ni jagoro mar duond buch siasa nendo ma en senate e kaunti ma Nairobi Sifuna nyaka koro wuogi e duond buch siasa nogo mae biro bang' jotelo ma ok mor kod winjruok mar UDA kod ODM nyocha nobago romo nendo mar siasa e kaunti onogo ma Busia kendo singo mar biro neno ningang ODM okoriwore kanyendo koda piny owacho kaluwore koda John Mbadi oyango ni Edwin Sifuna bet mare ODM osechopo e giko mare kendo nyaka koro wuogi kama en gino mabende pod dhi medo kelo pogruok kaachiel koda paro mopogore opogore e duond buch siasa nendo.
The party ODM is a very solid party, and I can tell you for sure there is no way that ODM is samaratika. ODM will remain solid the way Raila left it. So long as some of us are still there. There are people who think now people like Mbadi cannot play politics. We will. And we will make sure that ODM is strong on the ground. We will make sure that we talk to our people to remain steadfast in ODM under the leadership of Oburu Odinga. Oburu has been steadfast behind Raila, even though Raila is younger than him. But he did not in any way fight the leadership of his brother. He respected his brother. Therefore, we must also respect Oburu Odinga for the leadership that he has. But one thing that I want to tell ODM leaders while standing here, and I can see some of the leaders are here. The message I want to pass to ODM, if you think that ODM will remain solid by having everybody who has been there, including people whose agenda is completely opposite what ODM wants, you are daydreaming. You must allow some people to exit ODM at this stage. If someone does not want to agree with ODM policies, with the policies that spelled out by the party leader after convening Central Committee meeting, that person should be left to go, so that we can see how many people he's living with. Someone like Sifuna will not remain in ODM because already is conflicted. He is now selling the agenda of someone else. Why are you pretending? You cannot keep him in the party. He is gone. Allow him to go. When I was chairman of the party, and Ababu Namwamba wanted to behave like he's behaving, I made sure he left. I convened disciplinary committee against him as the SG. And by the way, let nobody cheat you. At the SG is keeping documents of the party. That one we changed a long time ago. We created trustees. We sat down. Sifuna does not even know where the registration certificate of ODM is. He does not know. If he has seen him, let him take a photo of that certificate and put on WhatsApp. He can live with the people he will live with. But the party will remain cohesive. We need a cohesive outfit, not a party where the party leader says this, then another official says the other. Today they are in Busia, selling an agenda we don't know. They are saying Raila did not leave us in Broadbase. Who took Mbadi to Broadbase to government? Did they question him? And he died while we were in government. And he said that 2020, up to 2027, after 2027, hata bado tutaendelea kufanya kazi. That was Raila Odinga. But even if he did not say that, where do you want us to go?